If you want to render solid objects with a wireframe, all we need to do is create an initial material that's assigned to the object, and then in edit mode, make sure everything is selected, create a submaterial, and assign that to all the surfaces you want to be coloured. And then give that a colour. Tab out, and then render. And what you should find is the primary material assigned to the object is your wireframe colour, and the material assigned to the surfaces in edit mode are your surface colours. We can also make each material transparent to varying degrees, so select the material, transparency, change the value to whatever's needed, render, and we can see that surfaces are now transparent. We can do the same thing to the wireframe, select the material, activate transparency, change the value, and render. And it's barely visible, but the wireframe is transparent. This obviously means that it's rendering objects that are behind it that can be seen through the transparent surfaces. So depending on which material needs to be transparent, activate or deactivate transparency. And then there's one final aspect, which is to either render the material shadeless, or we can change the specular properties to affect the highlight that we can see in the material and as that would appear in the render. So if we look at the red material, we can see that there's a specular highlight there. We can remove that by selecting the object and the material and either selecting shadeless and then we can see that it's gone, or we can leave that active and change the colour, and it does pretty much the same thing. And there we go, coloured wireframes over coloured surfaces.